Okay. So, oh, the car's not on. It's making a terrible whistling noise. I'm fairly sure it's this intake. But let me start up the car if I could grab my key. And hopefully you'll be able to hear it. Well, I know you'll be able to hear it. Slowly driving me nuts. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's the intake. And it increases when throttle is applied. I can't grab this fucking thing. I just want to know how to make it shut up. And it might not be the intake, I'm not sure, but I guess that's why I'm posting this, to see if anyone might know. And while we're doing this, just for fun, new tires, nom nom nom, and I would rev it, but I don't want to kill my girlfriend's camera. Anyway, if anyone has any ideas, kindly let me know, because it's slowly driving me bonkers. And this friggin' deck is screw it, whatever. Bye bye.